Cambridge IGCSE exams. We are going to look at paper 1 core. This was written in May-June 2016 session. So this is syllabus 0580. So this is paper 1 for core, and these are the instructions for the examination. The most important instruction here is not to write in any barcodes, and that scientific calculators should be used. Let's get started. We are going to start on number 1. This reads: a train leaves Zurich at 22:40 and arrives in Vienna at 07:32 the next day. Work out the time taken. So we are going to work out the time taken from 22:40 hours up to 07:32 hours the next day. So the trick here is just to find the number of hours and minutes to midnight, and then add the hours and minutes from midnight up to 07:32, which are straightforward. You can just add 07:32. So here from 22:40 up to midnight, which is 00. How many hours and minutes here? So to 2300 there are 20 minutes. Then to 00 there's 1 hour. So there's 1 hour 20 minutes. Then we add 7 hours 32 minutes, like this. So 1 hour 20 minutes is the time taken from 22:40 up to midnight. Then 7 hours 32 minutes is the time taken from midnight up to 07:32. Then we add, find 52 minutes, 20 minutes plus 32 minutes is 52 minutes. Remember that we are adding by 60. If this is more than 60 minutes, you divide by 60 and only leave the remainder, and 1 is added here. So here it's less than 60, so we write it as 52 minutes. Then 1 hour plus 7 hours is 8 hours. So our final answer will be 8 hours 52 minutes. Then on number 2, from a sample of 80 batteries, 3 are 40. Work out the percentage of 40 batteries. So 40 batteries are 3, then the total is 80, so it's 3 over 80. To find the percentage, we multiply by 100. Therefore, we divide by 20, which is a highest common factor of 80 and 100. So divided by 20, 20 into 80, this gives me 4, 20 into 100, it's 5. Then 3 here, times 5 is 15, divided by 4 into 15, 4 gets into 12 3 times, so it's 3, remainder 3, 4 into 30 it's 7, remainder 2, 4 into 20 it's 75. So the answer here is 3.75%. Number 3, in a group of students, the probability that a student is left-handed is 0.28. A student is chosen at random from the group. Find the probability that the student is not left-handed, which is the opposite, so we subtract from 1. We subtract from 1. So this is 1 minus 0.28, which is 0.72. So 0.72 will be the probability of choosing a student that is not left-handed. Then number 4, 1.27 times 10 to the power negative 3 is an ordinary number. So here the trick when dealing with small numbers which have a negative index on 10, when converted to scientific mode or standard form, this denotes, negative 3 denotes the number of zeros before standard form value, so it will be 0.00127. Or you can expand this. 10 to the power minus 3 is equals to 1 over 1,000, which is equals to 0.001, like this. If you multiply, it's 0.00127, which is the final answer. So you can see that negative 3 just stands for these 3 zeros. Then number 5, change 60,000 meters to kilometers, we know that there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So to find kilometers, we divide our value by 1,000 meters, our value in meters divided by 1,000 meters. So 60,000 divided by 1,000, this is 60 kilometers. Then on number 6, calculate 2,1 minus 0.078 to the power 17, giving your answer correct to 4 significant figures. So the first step here, you can first subtract this in your calculator if it does not display the numbers on the screen like this. 1,922 is the answer from 2,1 minus 0.078. Then you raise it to the power 17, punch into a calculator, you get this value on your screen. Therefore, express this correct to 4 significant figures. So we start to count from the left to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th significant figure. Then we consider the next and see if it's 5 or greater or this less. So we'll replace by 0. So our answer here will be 66,650. On number 7, write down the mathematical name for an angle that is less than 90 degrees. This is an acute angle. A 5-sided polygon is a pentagon. Then number 8 was on vectors. Work out -2, -3 plus -4 and 7. So we add numbers corresponding values according to the position. So here -2, 8, -4. So -2 plus -4, this will neutralize to a negative. So -2, -4. Then -3 plus 7, it will remain -3 plus 7. -2 -4, it's -6. Then -3 plus 7 is like subtracting 3 from 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4, positive 4. So our answer here is -6 and positive 4. Then on number 9, write down the order of rotational symmetry of the shape. Rotational symmetry, how times can we rotate the shape and maintain the initial shape? So here it's shaded. So if we rotate it the first time, we will not get the same shape with the same shaded corners. But if we rotate the second time, we get that shape. So we can only do that 3 times. So the rotational symmetry of the shape is 3. Then we can also draw the lines of symmetry according to the requirements of the part B. Draw all lines of the symmetry on the shape. So a line of symmetry, each side must be a reflection of the other. So therefore here you can see that I can divide the shape here, and this can be a reflection of this side. So this is the first, and I can draw the second here, I can draw the third. So there are 3 lines of symmetry as shown in the diagram. The next, number 10,